ZENITH Chronomaster Sport Pink. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this unboxing video, we will show you the smallest details of this product with a crystal clear picture and 4K resolution. Thank you for your interest. In our channel you will find unboxing videos and other interesting products. Subscribe now. The ZENITH Chronomaster Sport Pink isn't just a watch, it's a captivating symphony of style, precision, and purpose. This limited edition masterpiece transcends the boundaries of design and performance, whispering tales of heritage while boldly pushing the frontiers of innovation. Every detail, from the captivating metallic pink dial to the legendary El Primero movement within, is a testament to ZENITH's unwavering commitment to excellence and social responsibility. Imagine a robust 41mm steel case, gleaming with a mirror-like polish that reflects your confident spirit. The polished steel bezel adds a touch of timeless sophistication, perfectly complementing the star of the show, the mesmerizing metallic pink dial. This unique canvas, adorned with a sunray patterned finish, shimmers with subtle variations of light, creating a mesmerizing dance of color and texture. It's a statement piece that dares to be different, yet retains a sophisticated charm that effortlessly complements any attire. Functionality seamlessly integrates with aesthetics in the Chronomaster Sport Pink. The central chronograph hand, completing a revolution every 10 seconds, adds a touch of dynamism, further emphasizing the watch's sporty character. The 60-minute counter at 6 o'clock and the 60-second counter at 3 o'clock provide precise timing capabilities, perfect for capturing fleeting moments or conquering personal bests. Meanwhile, the central hands for hours and minutes and the small seconds dial at 9 o'clock ensure optimal readability in any lighting condition, ensuring you're always in control of your time. With a 10 ATM water resistance rating, this watch isn't afraid to get wet, confidently accompanying you on your daily adventures, from boardroom meetings to weekend getaways. Beneath this captivating exterior lies the legendary El Primero 3600 automatic high-frequency chronograph movement, the heart and soul of the Chronomaster Sport Pink. This Swiss-made marvel, renowned for its exceptional precision, operates at an astounding 36,000 vibrations per hour, 5 Hz, enabling an impressive 1/10th of a second chronograph function. With 311 meticulously assembled components, each one a testament to generations of watchmaking expertise, it delivers not only unmatched performance but also a captivating glimpse into the intricate world of fine craftsmanship. The generous 60-hour power reserve ensures your timepiece remains faithful even when unworn for extended periods, a testament to its reliable nature. But the Chronomaster Sport Pink transcends mere functionality. It embodies the brand's long-standing commitment to social responsibility. As a limited edition of 500 pieces, each purchase contributes to the Susan G. Komen Registered Foundation, supporting the fight against breast cancer. Owning this watch allows you to make a statement not only about your style and values, but also about your support for a brighter future. The ZENITH Chronomaster Sport Pink is more than just a timepiece. It's a symbol of empowerment, a conversation starter, and a statement of purpose. It's a testament to the enduring legacy of ZENITH, a brand that continuously pushes boundaries while staying true to its heritage. With its captivating pink dial, exceptional performance, and commitment to a worthy cause, the Chronomaster Sport Pink is more than just a watch. It's an invitation to join a symphony of style, precision, and a worthy cause. Please write in the comments what you like about this model and what you don't. Your opinion is important to us. Thank you for watching.